Here's the process for replacing the gear kits in the Blazer M3 M2 high-speed winches. The tools you'll be using include long nose cutting pliers, a flathead screwdriver, a 13mm ratcheting wrench, and 4, 5, and 6mm Allen wrenches. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts securing the air inlet cover and remove the cover. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts securing the air brake clutch kits and remove the kits from the gearbox cover, making sure to remove the clutch shafts. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the 19 bolts securing the gearbox cover. Remove the cover, being careful not to damage the gasket. Using a 13mm ratcheting wrench, remove the 2 ratchet stopper kits with springs from the gearbox. Remove the original 41.5:1 gear kit, including second and first gear assemblies, from the gearbox. Install the new 28:1 gear kit, including second and first gear assemblies, into the gearbox. Install the 2 ratchet stopper kits with springs into the gearbox. Confirm that the springs are properly seated. Use grease, Shell GADUS S2 V2200, to lubricate the new 28:1 gear kit. Install the gearbox cover and secure with the 19 bolts. Install the air brake clutch kits on the gearbox. Confirm that the clutch shaft marks are aligned with the clutch engaged marks and point to the 9 o'clock position when installed. Install the air inlet cover and secure with 4 bolts. The Blazer M3 M2 installation is complete.